All right, welcome back. It is Friday, May 21st. We're going to go look over here at the S&P 500 and let's go jump over the chart here. Market opens in about 6 minutes. So I of course have prediction points loaded on here. You have a 5-minute chart that we're looking at. So what happened yesterday? We said 68.75 would be good enough for that. They got to 69.25, pulled back to 50.75, and then this KP held to the tick right at the open, and then from there they did get a new high in Globex back to 73.25. So another push up. There's a couple of things to pay attention to. We have the key turns area right here and 79.25 KP, but you see this area I have highlighted. We're supposed to get 80 to 75, okay, on another push. So I want you to think about what I'm going to tell you right now, more of targets, and then what you can see with prediction points is they might be areas where the market's going to consolidate, and you also notice this is about 50% between these. So anyway, not going to do a whole class on how to use prediction points, but I'm not right now anyway. So this is what we're looking for. Another push here should get us 82, 75, and then we have a bit going on up here, but another push should get us to this 92.25. Again, you'll notice that's about halfway between these. And then if they can take this out, things start to open up a bit more. But to start off, it would be up here, 0175. And then if they could take that out, we could see certainly the CP here, but just a little bit more, maybe a bit through that. Maybe here to this like 11.25, just probing through this a bit. And then if they take that out, you'll see I have this area highlighted up here, but more exact up in here would be like 20. I think that's where it would be. Let me just make sure I have my numbers right. Okay, so this would be 11.25, and then this would be 20.75, and then from like way earlier we have this 22. So this is going to be real interesting, because if they take this out, it's back up to like 42.39.50, and then 45.46, something like that. So I mean, obviously the market's done a lot here over the last little while, so I'm not sure how much of that we'll actually get today, but one at a time through each of those. Okay, so perfect world scenario for a pullback, the market would hold 63.75 on a pullback. Perfect world. Wouldn't trade back below that. Of course, we have the KP here. I don't know that I'm crazy about it at this point with all the trading that happened around here. And then below this, 54.25. And then if you look right here, the perfect world, we don't take that out. And then you probably want to give it, you see that right there. So we probably want to give it a little bit of room here. So maybe giving this a couple of points, and then if they take this out, that should really do it for lower event. I mean, to start off here would be like this 44.75, maybe back to 43, and then starts to open up a bit more back to 40, let's call it 41.25 area, and even lower if they start to break down. So that's what we're looking for. If they start breaking down, it's probably going to bring in quite a bit more selling, but if they're able to hold here, then I suspect we'll see some pretty good movement up here. So if they get a really nice move away from here and they only come back to like this Globex high here at 73.25, that might be an aggressive entry, depending on, right now this is, it's below 73.25, so there's the CP here, or there's this little area, or right here. So you're just going to have to kind of play that by ear this morning and see how that is going to play out. So I will be back here doing a review, but hopefully, this is helpful. Take it one step at a time as it comes, be patient, and just take what the market gives you today. And we'll be back, we'll do a review, we'll see how things all play out today. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, if you do subscribe, you get notified when we go live and do these, and you won't miss them. So if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel, and if you have, thanks, and we'll see you after the session today.